The municipality of Silang Cavite, under the leadership of suspended Mayor Aliston Kevin Anana, faces serious legal allegations of financial misconduct and procurement irregularities. The Commission on Audit's investigation revealed non-submission of thousands of disbursement vouchers, raising concerns about the validity of municipal expenditures. Additionally, numerous instances of simulated bidding, lack of supporting documents, and unaccounted funds have been identified, casting doubt on the integrity of the procurement process and financial management. COA's audit showed that over 1.5 billion in disbursements lack proper documentation. Only a small fraction of the disbursement vouchers were examined, revealing over 22 million pesos in irregular spending. More evidence surfaced of disbursements made without required bidding and documentation. Former members of the Bids and Awards Committee allegedly justified that they were coerced into signing resolutions under threat of losing their jobs. This committee is making an investigation based on the facts. No? Wala po kami pakialam sa politika.
Ako po ay nagtataka na dinala ito sa babang kapulungan kahit na pending na po ang kaso sa Office of the Ombudsman. Ang akin pong dating kakampi na si Vice Mayor Ted Carranza at ang lagi niya pong sinasabi na hindi na po ako makakabalik sa posisyon. Nanunumpa po ako sa komiting ito na ako po ay walang kinausap na kahit sinong supplier o kahit sino man po na paboran o humingi man lang po ng kahit isang kusing sa kahit sino man pong tao para po paboran ang proseso ng procurement sa silang. Sa mga AOM po ng COA, ako po ay sumagot sa lahat po ng obserbasyon at rekomendasyon. Sa hearing na ito, ako po ay inakusahan ng aking kalaban na pagbili ng bulaklak at string lights na nagkakahalaga ng 60,000 at 90,000 pesos na naging dahilan po ng aking pagkasuspende. Kinakalat din po na isang malaking fake news na yung buong 1.5 billion na amin pong budget for year 2023 ay aking pong ibinulsa. Ito po isang malaking kasinungalingan. Ito pong aming COA observation memo ay tinatanggi po namin na walang bahid na katotohanan. Inuulit ko po, wala pong sinasabi na yung 1.5 billion pesos na pondo ng aming pong munisipyo ay ninakaw o nawawala po. Ang hinahanap lang po ng COA po doon ay yung mga disbursement vouchers po na hindi po timely na ibigay po ng aming pong municipal accountant. Yan po na sinabi ko pong kadahilanan. Hindi po ako kumausap ng kahit sino supplier at hindi po ako kumuha ni isang kusing sa ating pong mga supplier o may pinaburan.
Here in the committee, I'm not accusing you na binulsa mo yung 1.5 million. That is based on the complaint that was filed against you. It will be proven during the hearing. Hindi po sa COA yun. What will be the revelation coming from the COA? That will be based on the data. That's why I just want it to be clear to you that we are not accusing you of making bulsa at 1.5 billion. That is based on the complaint from the complainant, and of course, let the COA prove it. No? If indeed your statement is correct or not.